Welcome to Align Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a website with WordPress. You can make a business website or a blog. It's really up to you. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial that even beginners will be able to understand and easily follow. There are other platforms you can use to create your website. You're not just limited to one. However, I find WordPress to be the most flexible and customizable as it has the most features. So why not Wix or Squarespace? Wix and Squarespace are both excellent platforms. However, when you create a website with either Wix or Squarespace, they manage the hosting. The great thing is, you don't have to deal with hosting. If you build your website with Wix or Squarespace, you can't move your website to another host if you're not happy with either of these platforms. WordPress, on the other hand, requires you to have your own hosting. The good thing about this is, when you create a website with WordPress, it's your website, and you can move it to another hosting company if you decide that you're not happy with your current web host. I recently moved my website from Bluehost to Hostinger for this very reason. It's a great option to have. Why not just use free hosting? It's cheaper and it's free.
And how much does it cost?
It's free.
Well, with free hosting, you are very limited in features and benefits. Free hosting doesn't come with many features, and with most free hosting websites, you tend to get a lot of ads. Your website uptime is also not guaranteed when you use a free web host.
It's free, right?
So if you want a website that doesn't work half the time, free hosting is where it's at. Paid web hosting is better for the following reasons. You usually get a 99% guaranteed uptime. If you mess up your website, you can restore it through your web host's backups. You can create multiple websites as opposed to only being limited to one website with a free host. All right, let's create your WordPress website. Before you create your website or choose your hosting plan, make sure to install the RockU10 plugin so that you can get cashback for your purchase. I was able to get $33 cashback after I purchased my web hosting. Don't miss out on your cashback. RockU10 is free and doesn't cost a penny. I have put the link to sign up in the description box below for this plugin. You will be able to get cashback every time you shop at many other online retailers. At the time that I paid for my web hosting, RockU10 was offering 30% cashback. However, the percentage of cashback offered can change at any time, so you might come across a completely different amount than what I was able to get. All you do is go to RockU10, the link is in the description box, and sign up for an account like so. If you're using Firefox, click on the top right-hand side on the icon that looks like a puzzle piece. Click on Manage Extensions. Inside the search bar, type in RockU10 and select the first option and click Install. I already have mine installed, as you can see. If you're using Google Chrome, you want to click on the 3 vertical dots, then click on Extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Search for the RockU10 plugin. Click on the RockU10 cashback option and select Add to Chrome. All right, now that you have the RockU10 cashback for shopping installed, head over to Hostinger. The link is in the description box below. This is my preferred hosting company. However, you are free to use any other hosting company of your choosing and to follow along with this video. Now that you've set up your RockU10 account and activated your RockU10 extension, head over to the Hostinger website. Again, the link for Hostinger is in the description box of this video. Once you're on the Hostinger website, click on the RockU10 extension on the top right-hand side of your web browser. This will activate your cashback. It should look like this once your cashback has been activated. I set up my WordPress website during Cyber Week, and they had really good deals. However, you don't have to wait until November to set up your website. Should you choose to buy your web hosting from Hostinger, I have included a discount code for you in the description box. All right, if you scroll down, you're going to see a place where you can choose your website hosting. Hostinger offers various plans, as you can see. I went with the business level. You can choose to go month to month, however, that is the most costly option. You have a choice between 48 months or 24 months. There wasn't really much of a difference in cost between the 4-year plan and the 2-year plan, so I went with the 2-year business level plan. You also get a free domain name with your hosting, if you go with the yearly, 2-year, or 4-year plan. I am going to go ahead and put in my email, password, and pay for my hosting. Then we'll get to setting up our website. Once you log into your Hostinger account, you're going to see a layout that looks like this. The layout itself is simple, clean, and easy to navigate. So now that you've set up your web hosting, it's time to choose a domain name for your website. I bought my domain name with Namecheap, so I'll be pointing my domain name servers to Hostinger's name servers. If you don't have a domain name yet, you can register one through Hostinger. You have the option to choose a new domain name or transfer an existing one. Hostinger should have sent you an email containing your cPanel access information. Use the link in your email to log into your Hostinger account. Here's how to change your name servers to Hostinger's. Go over to Namecheap. There's a link in the description box. I registered the domain name homesculpted.com, and it's perfect for what I need it for. The website I'm going to be creating today is going to be an affiliate and information website centered around getting fit at home. Now that I have registered my domain name, it's time to change the name servers over to my web hosts. If you're buying your domain name through Hostinger, it's okay to skip the upcoming step. This step is only for the people who will be registering their domain name on Namecheap, or those who already have an existing domain name already registered on Namecheap. What you want to do is go over to your Namecheap, and under Domain List, select your domain name, then click on Manage. Scroll down to Name Servers and select Custom DNS. Go back to Hostinger and click on Manage. Under Hosting located on the left-hand side, click on Plan Details. Now, if you look over to the right-hand side, you're going to see Name Servers. Copy each of the Hostinger name servers separately and paste them into the Namecheap Custom DNS field like this. That is it. Your domain name is now linked to your web host. If you're finding the information in this video useful, please give the video a like. It helps me collect feedback. The Hostinger AI can also help you to select your domain name. Simply click on Domains over here, then click on Get a New Domain. Navigate over to Generate Domain using AI, and write a short description of your business or what your website is about. I tried a few other domain name searches, and as you can see, here's how it went. You're now ready to start creating your website. Inside Hostinger, click on the right-hand side menu and select Websites. Click on Add Website, and then click on Hostinger Website Builder. At this point, you can use Hostinger's AI to easily create your website. You can also choose the pre-made templates. It's really up to you. I'm going to go with the AI Builder and see what comes of it. Don't worry, if you don't like how your website looks, you can always delete the file and start over. Put in your brand name, then your website type, blog, business, portfolio, etc. You can even create a landing page if you want. And finally, add your description like I am doing here for my website. Remember to be as specific as possible, but keep your description short. Under Personalization Settings, you can also choose the style and colors what you want for your website. After all is done, click Create a Website. It takes a moment to create your website. Here's what you get: an attractive website template that you can customize. You can change around the buttons, images, text, etc. You can also change the page navigation. You can change the page colors as well. There's also an AI function built into this website builder. You can change your logo, create images, create blog posts, and do a lot here. You can also create blog posts just by clicking on the blog post writer to the left. I am going to create a quick blog post just to show you how easy this is. All right, go ahead and put in your blog post description, then let AI create your blog post. Of course, I would go in later and edit the post. However, to save time, I'll just show you how to create your blog content. This is what I ended up with. The website builder also has an AI image generator. However, after trying this out, I have to say that I prefer real images. I highly recommend Pexels for your stock photos. They have tons of beautiful stock photos, and best of all, for free. Okay, so I was able to add the image to the blog post. I also formatted the blog headline amongst other things. So here's the end result of the website. So you created a website, but you don't like it. You want to start over. That's okay. You can go back to the website builder and delete the website that you've just created. If the first website you create isn't to your liking, you can start over. You can also use the pre-made templates. Simply click on Use Pre-made Templates, and here's what you get. Go through the templates and choose one you like. There is an impressive selection, and best of all, you get to see how your website will look like. The pre-made templates are perfect for you if you don't like surprises. Once you find a template, simply hover over it, preview it, and then click on Start Building. As you can see, there are so many beautiful templates that you can use here. Choose one and customize it for your business or brand. I am going to show you my top favorite way to create a website with WordPress. This is how I create my websites. It only takes a few minutes. Make sure that you have any pop-up blockers disabled as you set up your website. You can enable your pop-up blockers once you've fully set up your website. Also, before you start, make sure to sign up to Kadence WP. I have included the link in the description box. It's free to sign up. You will need a Kadence account to successfully create your website. Click on Add Website, then select the WordPress option. You don't need to bother with your website type or any of that. simply click on the Skip option at the very bottom. You're going to be asked to create login details for your WordPress. You can go ahead and skip this. I already have my Namecheap domain name pointed towards Hostinger, so for me, I'll click on Use an existing domain. Here I am just putting in my domain name, homesculpted.com. As you can see, my domain name is already registered at Namecheap, and my name servers are pointed to Hostinger. So I'll click Continue. I clicked on Connect Domain Name just in case. Under Control Panel, you want to click on Manage Site. Here's where we're going to install your WordPress website. Scroll down and click on Auto Installer, then select the WordPress option. Set up your username and password, then click on Install. Under Edit Website, click on Admin Panel. A pop-up should open up. This will lead you to your WordPress admin interface. Now that you're inside WordPress, look to the left-hand side under Appearance, then click on Themes. On the top right-hand side under Themes, click on Add New Theme. When you scroll down, you're going to see many beautiful WordPress themes. My favorite theme is the Kadence theme. It's super lightweight, super fast, and this really goes far in having a successful and well-optimized website. Select Install, and then activate your theme. Again, you're free to use any WordPress theme you want, as you can see. There are so many beautiful themes listed here. However, this tutorial is going to show you how to create a website using the Kadence framework. Now it's time to install some plugins. On the left-hand side, click on Plugins, then Add New Plugin. You want to add the Kadence Blocks plugins in order to get optimum performance from your website. Inside the plugins search bar, type in Kadence, then select the Kadence Blocks and click Install Now. Make sure you go in under Installed Plugins and activate your plugins. I forgot to show you in this video. All right, you've installed your Kadence theme and your Kadence Blocks. It's now time to create your starter template. Under Appearance, click on Kadence, then click on Activate Kadence AI Starter Templates. You're going to be redirected to connect your website to your Kadence account. Go ahead and do this. Select the first free option to proceed. You can always upgrade if you need to have access to more features later on. Once you've linked your WordPress to the Kadence account, the AI website creator is going to pop up. Start putting in your information. I chose individual, but you can choose the most suitable option for you. Put in your company name. Then select your location. This is an affiliate marketing website, so mine would be online only. Next up, choose your industry. I just selected online marketing blog. Now here's where you're going to tell the Kadence AI about your website. Remember to be as descriptive as possible when it comes to describing your website. To save time, I already wrote out my description and will paste it here. Next up, select relevant keywords from the ones listed below. If you don't see keywords related to your content, you can simply type them in. Scroll down and choose your tone. I chose conversational, as I want my content to sound casual as if talking to a friend. Next up, you'll be presented with the images for your website. You can go ahead and edit the collection. If you don't need any edits, simply click Generate Base Content. It will only take a moment to create your site, so don't refresh your tab. And just like that, here are your website templates. As you can see, these are high-quality, good-looking templates. It sure beats having to create a website from scratch. You'll receive 6 templates. 2 of them will be pro templates, so if you want to use these, you'll have to make a purchase. This one and this one are both pro template, so if you want to use these, you'll have to buy them. You can just click and preview each template before you make a purchase. As you scroll down, you'll see this template has a lot of potential, especially once you customize it. To install the template, go over to the top right-hand side and click on Next. But before we install the template, let's have a look at the others first. This is another well-styled template, and I see plenty of great options for customization. Here's another beautiful template. The colors, the layout all work so well with one another. The main focus being the minimalist design that allows your content to really stand out. This one would work well for a coaching type of business. Let's check out the pro themes. The front page of this one would be perfect for collecting emails from your web visitors. You can offer something of value, such as a freebie, digital or physical product, and this would be a great place to feature it. Overall, this one is such a well-designed template and would work well for conversions and getting leads for your business. This one is more earthy and would also work well for lead generation and building your email list. Okay, so let's go with this earthy web template. To activate this starter template, click on Next, then click on Finish and Launch. To start editing your website, click on Go to My Pages. Under Pages, click on Home. This will allow you to start editing the front page. Okay, let's take a look around. You'll see these buttons. You can change the text, color, and shape, or remove them altogether if you want. Over here, you can add labels to your website categories. Since mine is a fitness-based site, here are my categories. On the top left-hand side, click on Customize to start customizing your homepage. This is where you'll be able to edit your website's color scheme, backgrounds, fonts, headings, etc. Under the header section, you can also change your social icons, logo, web icons, and their placements. Under Site Identity is where you can change your logo. Basically, go through this section and change up your website. Through Site Identity, I was able to change my website's icon. You can do so many things through the Customize menu. For the sake of this video, I am going to save time and just show you where you can go to customize your website. Do not be intimidated. Once you sit down and dedicate some time to customizing your website, it's quite simple to do. Okay, let's recap on the website customization. If you want to customize your font, background, buttons, social media links, logo, etc., use the Customize option at the top left-hand side. If you want to change the images on your website, click on Edit Page. If you want to create blog posts, simply go into WordPress Dashboard, and under Posts, click on Add New Post. I will be modifying and deleting these pre-populated blog posts here. You can also change your blog categories under Categories. I will delete and change these around as well. Again, if you want to switch out your template, scroll down to Kadence, then click on Starter Templates. I've shown you how to create a website through Hostinger AI Website Builder. You can create a beautiful website by using the Pre-Made Templates option. Simply select your template and start editing your website. When you're ready to publish your website, click Go Live. You also know how to build a website through WordPress using the Kadence method. You will get 6 beautiful starter templates to choose from, 2 of the 6 being pro templates. Select your template and start building your website. Long gone are the days where it would take ages to create a website. You can build your website in as little as a day. AI is here to help, so why not use it to save time and cut costs? That's all for today. Remember to give this video a like and ring the bell notification to be notified. I mainly focus on tips, tutorials, and product recommendations that will take your online presence to the next level. See you in the next video.